And here is another major flaw with the flat Earth model. And once again, we can use the flat earthers' own tools to clearly demonstrate the problem. In this case, the Flat Earth Sun and Moon Clock app. As you can see, I have set the time to 7 p.m. on Friday, the 21st of June 2019. At that time, the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer, and you can see that Perth, Australia, on the west coast is in darkness. If we jump 6 months ahead, the sun is going to be over the Tropic of Capricorn, which on this map is further away from Perth. So logically, Perth should remain in darkness. Let's see what happens. September and December 21st. The sun is over the Tropic of Capricorn, and yet Perth, Australia is in daylight. The sun is further away, and yet we have daylight in Perth. When it jumps back to the Tropic of Cancer, it is now closer to Perth, but Perth is in darkness. The whole model is ridiculous, and this app clearly demonstrates why.
I did one of these where I just took a compass and drew a bunch of circles. And I drew dots on it. I was messing around. The neatest one I did was this single dot right here. When you have a single dot, well, let me cap this marker real quick and set it down. Now, when you have a single dot, watch what I can get this single dot to do. You can get it, look at that. And it even curls around both edges, kinda. And then it just disappears. Boop. Boop. Now, if it were a hemispherical lens, it would even do this. Look at, see, even when we're at Polaris here in the center, whichever way is south is where that is going to happen. It's not really, whichever way is to the outer edge from the center. Do you notice that? Wherever Polaris I put it, it's always on the opposite side. It's so just like you would be looking south or towards the outer edge is where you would see that circular rotation. But we don't see this at 40 degrees north. where I'm from, 41 degrees north. It's more of a... I can't even get it to do it. You don't see the stars curl in like that ever. They just are flat. So what I'm trying to say is the lens created by our eye, or perspective, just the distance that you can see in every direction, does not create this type of lens. This has to be created somewhere else, which is pointing me towards a solid structure on the outer edge. Or even if it isn't solid, it's got to be shaped this way, I believe. And there's your
angles and you're at different places on the Earth, that light moves its angle to you. Look at how we just moved the atmosphere a little bit to the right, and now this light, which is over here, is being portrayed here. So you can say, well, it's supposed to set at 270 west. Well, now it's setting a little bit north of that, or it's setting a little bit south of that based on your location.